ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡೋಣ. We'll do some meditation. Okay. We'll do a short meditation. Let's sit with our spine erect and palms open on our lap. We are going to synchronize our breath with the hand movement. You breathe in and bring your hands together, all the fingers together, keeping them on the lap. And as you breathe out, you open your fingers and relax. Breathe in with the same speed and take your attention to the top of the head and breathe out and open your palms. Now, there is a triangle in between the eyebrows and your palms. Just imagine this is a yantra you have. You are a yantra. Huh? You are a diagram. So, from the left hand up goes to in between the eyebrow, then come to the right. Left up, right down. So, breathe in and bring your fingers together and breathe out and bring your attention to both your palms. Breathe in, bring your fingers together and keep your attention in your eyebrows. Hold the breath there. Breathe out and bring your attention to both the palms now. Relax. Keep your eyes closed. अब ओमकार का ध्वनि करते हैं. Let's take a deep breath in and breathe out. Another deep breath in. Take your attention to both your palms. The palms are on your lap. They're open and relaxed. From both the palms, take your attention to in between the eyebrows, the third eye center, eyebrow center. And relax. And keep a big smile on your face. And from in between the eyebrows, take your attention to your occiput. Occiput is where the spinal cord meets the brain, back of the head. The small brain is there. Just a little tiny spot there. Take your attention. दोनों भुवों के बीच में से अपना ध्यान सिर के पीछे ले जाइए. वहाँ एक बिंदु, उधर अपना ध्यान रखें. इस बिंदु से शरीर बैलेंस होता है, संतुलन आ जाता है शरीर में. वहाँ अपना ध्यान रखें. चेहरे में मुस्कान हो. और 10, 15, 20 साल बाद, 30 साल बाद हमारा शरीर भस्म हो जाने वाली है. इस सत्य पर ध्यान देते हैं. यह शरीर भस्म हो जाएगा. In another 10, 20, 30 years, this body will get back to the nature, will dissolve into the nature back. Let's recognize the truth. Every cell in this body will disintegrate and become one with the universe. Breathe in with a smile and breathe out with a smile. Our body is like the wick of a candle. The spirit is like a glow all around the body. शरीर बाती है तो मन ज्योति है. शरीर नश्वर है तो मन निरंतर रहता है. ये पंचभूत, ये सब कुछ अनात्मा है. आत्मा सिर्फ आकाशवत चैतन्य ही है. You are just energy. Everything else belongs to the elements of the universe. Relax and repose with a smile. सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दें और विश्राम करें. Let go of all your effort. There is nothing to do this moment and nothing to know either. Let go of all your effort and let the mind expand in all directions. सब प्रयत्न छोड़ते ही मन फैलने लगता है, विकसित होने लगता. होने दीजिए, विश्राम करें. लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु. शांति शांति शांति. और धीरे धीरे शरीर और परिषद के प्रति सजग हो जाए और मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते गहरी सांस लीजिए और धीरे धीरे सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते आंखें खोल सकते हो। You may slowly and gradually open your eyes.